3 tips to stay away from unauthorized service centers. If you need to repair your phone but accidentally run into an unauthorized service shop, you may encounter unreasonable charges and unguaranteed services and put your privacy at risk. How to find an authorized HUAWEI Service Center? Follow these 3 tips below. 1. Visit official service platforms only. You can locate the nearest service center via support app or consumer.huawei.com. 2. Recognize the features of HUAWEI Service Centers. HUAWEI Service Centers have identifiable HUAWEI logos on the storefront and background walls. 3. Check the service fee. Repair is free of charge under warranty. For out-of-warranty devices, it only charges a flat fee for materials and labors. On Support app, you can check the prices of spare parts and relevant special offers. HUAWEI Service Center promises price transparency and reasonable charges. With the 3 tips above, keep yourself away from unauthorized services and privacy leaks. Support app, your handy service specialist.